Hello, thanks for watching the CXO Academy video. Today we'll be learning how to create simple cube calcs or formulas within our report to give us margin percentages. As we see in this report, we have a profit and loss by month in which the accounts going down the rows, we have some margin percentages. In this case, we get to gross margin, and right underneath there, we have a gross margin percentage. Today I will show you how to calculate this number in two different ways. So to start off, we have net profit all the way down at the bottom. I will create an additional line called net profit percentage and calculate that using a cube calc or our formula feature. First, let's go into the CXO designer. We'll open up this report. So you could either, of course, start from scratch or select a report that we've already started. In this case, I have this list called my row profit and loss list. I will scroll all the way to the bottom where I see net profit, and I'm gonna add an item. So again, this can be done in two separate ways. I will go ahead and place this item right underneath net profit, which I will call net profit percentage. So I can already overwrite the label right away before even creating the cube calc. If we go there. Now, for my account, there's of course two different ways of doing this. First, I'll show you one easy way, which is through our formula. And what we can do through our formula here column, if we double click on there, this will override any member being called under the dimension. So it'll straight go into the formula regardless of what member is listed. So in this case, we want a ratio. And we want that ratio to be, here we can scroll down on the right hand side. We want our net profit and what the ratio was to net sales. We can say, give us this as a percentage. We'll hit save. And now you'll see that here at the bottom, we have our net profit. If we hover over it, we have an actual percentage. We just have to change the formatting now instead of default to include a percent, for example, 1 decimal. So we've previously created these formats, and as you see here at the bottom, I've actually done a double percentage at this point because the format was percentage and the ratio here was percentage. So I'll go ahead and remove this percentage from here, and we'll see that we get the proper number now. So as you see now, my net profit percent is 13.4, 7.5, and so on. Now this is one way to do this. This is a little more static, in that it'll always pick from these numbers, and you cannot reuse this calculation in any other list. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and remove this formula and show you how else to do this. So once I remove this, I will actually go into the account dimension. I'll right click on here, and if I select new list cube calculation, I can make this either a shared list or a cube or list cube calculation. In this case, I'll make this just a list cube calc. I'll name this CXO profit margin. I can give it a display of net profit percentage. And this can be as simple as a cube calc saying, give me the net profit divided by my net sales. So all I will have to do is simply go look for my account, search for net profit, in this case, net profit. I will add this to the MDX. I'll divide this and say go look for net sales, and there we have it, net sales. I will add that on there. It's as simple as this. We'll go ahead and check this. We see that it's correct, and we will save this. Now, the good thing about this, doing it through a cube calc, is that you're able to reuse this cube calc as just like any other member. So the formula you would have to recreate if you'd like to use, but through a cube calc, what that allows you to do is reuse them on any other list. As you see here at the bottom, I have the same results as my formula, but this time, as again, we can reuse it. So hopefully this was helpful. This is just an MDX or cube calc quick trick.